welcome to Untrade Post, where the twins come true.
Oh, that's nice, son. So what have you got here today?
The robot.
Oh, awesome. So should we open them up? This is an Edison robot.
It's not for 3-year-olds.
And it's not for 3-year-olds. Does that mean, what does that mean?
Hunter not allowed.
Hunter's not allowed it. Shh, don't tell Hunter. Right, open it up. Cool. Careful. Go, and we... Oh, unroll it.
It's very long.
Alrighty. What have we got here? Want to have a look?
No.
Now we've got some instructions on here.
Yes. 4 batteries.
So, we need 4 AAA batteries. Okay, so we'll have to get some of those. And then we need to undo this. This one on here might make it a little bit easier.
Maybe my twins.
Ah, got it! Yeah!
Oh.
Alright, so what's inside here? Do you want to pull it out? We've got the cord. Okay, so we need to find 4 AAA batteries. Let's go.
It's 3 holes.
Okay, son, so I've found 4 AAA batteries and they're rechargeable ones, so we can use them again when it runs out. So that's good, isn't it?
2 holes. I wonder where we're going this. It's kitty proof. Kitty proofs. Kitty proof. Kitties.
Make it.
Meow 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 meow.
Double check. Yeah, we've got those around the right way.
Kitty. Meow meow meow. Kitty kitties. Kitty kitty kitties. I didn't do that.
There we go, and that's it.
We turned both of those.
Whoa. And then you press
This
the
one.
forward button, yeah.
This one. This one.
Yes, that one, the arrow. And then to stop. And
The
then
clear one on the top. Mom? The clear one top.
yeah, the square one's to stop. Yeah, press that, go.
That's silly to me.
Stop it. And then what's this one do? Yeah, maybe we do it on here.
This.
Oh, it stopped it.
Whoa. I'm so fun.
You're gonna have so much fun with this. And look, it looks like you can get a torch and shine it at the front.
I'm calling him Tommy.
You're calling him Tommy, are you?
This.
Awesome. Tommy the Edison Robot.
This.
Or Tommy the Robot for short.
Tommy the robot.
Tommy the Robot. What do you think?
Yes.
Cool.
Tommy the robot.
So, do you give the Edison Robot a thumbs up? Is it
One like.
1 like. Is that good?
Yes.
Yes. How many stars out of 5?
10 million?
10 million stars out of 5. Well, there you go. Andre likes his new Edison robot.
Yeah.
Should we go see if we can find some Lego to put on it?
This.
Yeah. Right.